Our Celebration of Sound is proud to present the Sound of the Rockies High School Marching Band. Judges, are you ready? Good. Drum major, is your band ready? Sound of the Rockies, you may take the field in exhibition.
Welcome to the city, where the sun is always shining, where the windows are gleaming. Its opportunity awaits you on every corner.
Life is great in the city. It's paradise on earth.
At least that's what the ads say.
In reality, it's a dark, miserable place with the rain falling sunny after rain falls down for a while.
This city is infested with hardened criminals, crooked cops, and sassy dames. Life here was like a bucket of crap with a barbed wire handle. This was not the case for Vincent Hall. He does what he likes. He takes what he wants, and his problems seem to find their way into the river with a couple of holes and some extra lead. Maul runs this city through dirty money, crooked deals, and a hail of bullets.
Oh, hey, Mom. It's great to see you. Yeah, I got your money. I swear I'm good for it. No, please. Give me one more chance. No!
Mall has only one problem. Detective Bien. Bien has the distinction of being this city's only incorruptible cop. He cannot be bought, bribed, or deterred from his justice. His badge, a gleaming shield of righteousness.
Detective Bien's only flaw, love Miss Evelyn. She was a dame to make a bishop kick a hole through a stained glass window. She sings and swoons many a heart at Vincent Mall's nightclub and bygone alleys, and Detective Bien never missed a show.
Moving to the top, you're just not gonna stop. I don't need a love from you, it's not enough, baby. I want it all. Forget that ring hiding behind her back, baby. I want it all. Men try to please me by swooning and crooning, and I play along for the show. But until I reach the top, I'm never gonna stop. 'Cause baby, I want it all. I can't do this anymore.
Evelyn said staring into Bien's eyes.
Mom will kill me.
Help me take it down.
Detective Bien replied.
And you'll never need to be afraid again.
But he's got dirt on me and he can get to me from anywhere. The only way I'm safe is when he's dead.
Then he's dead.
But
Justice be damned if I can't protect the woman I love.
Love, complicated, messy, and the only thing that can corrupt the incorruptible. Detective Bien's righteousness flew right out the window at the sight of her smile. So it was there and then they fought the murder of Vincent Mall. Detective Bien grabbed Evelyn by the hand and they set off to face their destiny and the end of Vincent Mall.
all through a minefield, Detective Bien confronted Vincent Mall.
What are you doing here, detective?
Mall said with disdain.
I'm not going to you, Mom.
Bien said with unbridled rage.
That's a lot of talk, Copper. I'll knock all your teeth out. Detective Bien, how could you have known that murder smelled like honeysuckle? That's my girl, Emily. That's my girl.
I want it all. I want it all. So much more than not just that, but the whole.
Evelyn had outsmarted the gangster Vincent Moll and played Detective Bien like a fiddle.
Sorry, fellas. A girl's gotta look out for number one. This city, it's mine. It's always been mine. I want it